Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon and their website. So there are links directly below that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely amazing pillow, and I want to tell you why here. So this is the DreamLayer Pillow by Purple. It's going to come in this box right here, and then once you get it, you're going to get the pillow, and then you're going to get two of these extra like height-raising pads. So as you can see, it's just a little thin here, and they are removable. And the whole point of these little pads are so that way you can figure out what height is comfortable for you as far as your neck position. I personally like one insert in, the other one I don't really use, but they're really easy to remove. And that's one of the nice things, because this pillow is kind of a little bit custom. And as you can see, you get the pillow here. It is a standard size pillow. It does come with this nice little case, which is completely removable. So you can take this off and then wash it, which is really, really nice. And as you can see, you will put the height adjuster on the bottom, but then you have the pillow itself. So what's also cool about this pillow is it's absolutely great with heat. So I get really hot in the evening. My head has a tendency to sweat. And when I've been using this pillow, I've personally noticed that I am sleeping deeper, and I'm feeling more rested. My watch that tracks my sleeping even picked up, and I noticed a visible change, which actually really, really surprised me. And one of the things that I'm loving about it is my neck's not all sweaty, and it's because of this flexible gel top. So as you can see here, it's got this like grid of this gel, and it allows for your head to position it, and it kind of distributes that force very evenly, but it also allows air movement, and so that's what keeps you from getting hot. Now the only disadvantage of all this is you want to make sure the gel part is on top and the inserts are on the bottom, so you're not going to be flipping around your pillow or anything like that, but it holds its shape really, really well. So you're going to have essentially the gel top, you have the spacer down here at the bottom, and then the middle is a micro-aired foam. It is super squishy. It's very dense. The pillow has some weight to it. That's one of the first things you will notice. It does have some weight to it, but it bounces back. I have not had any issues with like divots or anything like that. It bounces back when you move around, and it, once again, this foam down here is helping distribute that weight of your head when you are sleeping on it, which is absolutely just great. And the pillow itself, because of everything it's made up with, it is hypoallergenic. So if that is a concern, you're concerned about allergies or anything like that, you have allergies, this is a hyperallergenic pillow. So overall, if you're looking for some new pillows, I think the DreamLayer by Purple is absolutely amazing, and I totally think it's worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.